Welcome to the story world. Today I'm going to read a story about Goodnight, Goodnight construction site. Dump trucks colors. In a new construction yard, dump trucks really working hard. Underneath a bright blue sky, dump trucks bed lifts way up high. Cement mixer is working near, laughing, smiling, full of cheer. Dump truck's grey smoke fills the air. He is running fast, no time to spare. Cement mixer starts to make a street. He pours a load of grey concrete. Dump truck moves brown loads of rock, tons of brown dirt, brick and block. This job is very serious stuff. Dump truck looks ready, rough and tough. His bed is full. He's off to race when cement mixer makes a really silly face. Now dump truck's laughing as he runs. Cement mixer makes working so much fun. Dump trucks get great big tires are black. He hauls black dirt and then comes right black. A red sign says construction zone. Dump truck hauls red landscape stone. Red cement mixer whizzes by to pour his load before it's dry. Dump truck has a yellow bed and yellow lights upon his head. He hauls a load of sand that's yellow. Dump truck is one hard-working fellow. Onk, onk. Great green pipes all in a stack are being hauled in dump truck's back. As fluffy purple clouds blow past, the job is nearly done at last. The sky turns orange, the sun sinks low. Orange barricade light starts to glow. Orange safety cones all mark the way. Both trucks are finished for today. White headlights on. Both trucks shine bright. As they turn to leave the site, they see white stars, a soft white moon. Good night for now. They will be back soon. Good night. Bye.